Oppo A59 5G launching soon in India. Oppo is preparing to launch the Oppo Find X7 series and Oppo Pad Neo in China, but out of surprise, the Oppo A59 5G is also coming soon in India. The company took to X.com to officially confirm the new smartphone launch in India via a poster teaser. There are scarce details about the Oppo A59 5G, as it only appeared on Bluetooth SIG and BIS before the official announcement. There are hardly any leaks or rumors detailing its specifications or features. However, the poster confirms a dual rear camera with an LED flash. There's a dewdrop notch on the front side, and a power button is present on the right bump of the smartphone. Further, it will be the 5G smartphone, which could run the Dimensity 6100 SoC. The shiny gold color is quite evident in the poster. The Oppo A59 5G has already made it to Bluetooth and BIS with model code PCH2617. The Bluetooth SIG confirms the presence of the Bluetooth 5.3 version, while the BIS confirms the smartphone's launch in India. The smartphone appears to feature considerable upgrades over its predecessor, the Oppo A58 5G. The Oppo A58 5G made its debut last year in November, featuring a large 6.56-inch IPS LCD with 280 nits of brightness and 720 by 1612 pixels of resolution. The smartphone bundles the MediaTek Dimensity 700 SoC with 6GB RAM plus 128GB, 8GB RAM plus 128GB, and 8GB RAM plus 256GB storage options. It embeds a dual rear camera comprising a 50MP primary sensor and a 2MP depth sensor. An 8MP camera is present on the front for selfies and video calling. Further, it comprises a 5000 mAh battery with 33W fast charging. In terms of connectivity, the Oppo A58 5G bundles dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, and USB Type-C 2.0. We expect more details to surface via new teasers before the official launch. Lenovo Legion Y700 2023. Save $100 on this 8-inch gaming Android tablet.